Oh, this cold is hurting my hips.
Hey guys, so today's video is very exciting for me because, you know, this is like one of my favorite people. We are going to be going over the Ofra NIKKIETUTORIALS collaboration together, and I have not tried this, so this is kind of a first impression review. We're not doing a wear test because I already know Ofra Cosmetics has really good liquid lipsticks that wear all day long, at least for me, but I've never tried their highlighters, and I've heard nothing but greatness about their highlighters and how beaming they are. And knowing this is NIKKIETUTORIALS, you know, what's not gonna be beaming? So I'm gonna try the highlighter as eyeshadow and at highlight. I've already got some crease colors in there, so I can just pop it on, and then we're gonna swatch all three lip colors. And I'm really kind of scared about this nude one because kind of you know, washes me out a little bit. But we're gonna try the highlighter in these lip colors, and let's just go over some basic information. Got it right here on my phone. And by the way, I was sent this, but it's not sponsored, and this is my real opinion. Even though I like NIKKIETUTORIALS so much, I'm still gonna judge if it's, you know, not living up to what I think it's gonna be. It better be great, because she is nothing but great. She's very talented. Like, I'll link her channel down below, but I'm pretty sure all of you guys already know her. She has like, what, 3 million, 4 million? This retails for $79, but I do have a code to share with you guys. It is Ofra 30. It's not sponsored. It's not gonna be anything affiliated with me. It's just a code they provided me per Octoly and Ofra to give you guys is 30% off your purchase. So $79 minus 30%, or however you do it. That's how much it would be. So this comes with 3 liquid lipsticks. Coven is the metallic brown shade. Nude Potion is the light neutral nude pink. And Spell is a neon coral pink shade with a slight sheen and duochromatic styled buildable formula. And Everglow, it of course comes in 3 shades with it, one for pale skin, one for medium skin, and one for dark skin. And honestly, I'm very excited about the highlighter because I love using highlighters as eyeshadow. The packaging is so pretty. It opens up like this, and you get the 4 products right here sitting all pretty, and you get Nikki looking like, you know, a goddess like always. So let's just get right into this. Let's just go right in with it without wetting the brush. I never wet my highlight because it doesn't set on my skin really good. We're gonna go into this shade right here. It's the medium one. We're gonna see how this highlights my skin. I've never used one of these. Like, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. There's a little bit of kickback in 1 second because my boyfriend is freaking calling me like, oh, I love you. So first impression, this is blinding. This is so perfect. So that is the highlighter. Let's see what, I think I want to see what this white shade looks like, just like right in the middle, like on the highest point. I'm just gonna take it on my finger, just dab just the tiniest bit and blend it into that medium shade, and I can get away with it. I can actually get away with that. It's not, I don't see it whenever I look forward. That's nice to know. Just the littlest bit on the highest point of my cheek, and that is like perfect. Okay, so here is it closer. My cheekbones look very, very lifted, and my nose is beaming, of course. I really like this highlighter. I'm liking it. Okay, and what I usually do with this color, because I do have a highlighter this color for when I do some of my darker skin tone clients, I like to use these as blush toppers. So I'm just gonna pop on a muted matte blush. This is Tarte Party blush. I'm just gonna pop this on my cheeks. just lightly. This highlighter gives a really wet look and I'm like falling in love with it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. We're just gonna dab a little bit in there. Ooh, that's really pigmented, look at that. And then dab a lot of the excess off. And just pat over it for the blush. And I like do this a lot in the summertime. And it gives such a pretty like glow to the skin and it's very sun-kissed. So I'm gonna take that darker shade and put it like on my lid, on my actual lid, just all over. And I'm not gonna wet my brush. You know, I always wet my brush when it comes to using metallics on my lid, but these are so intense I don't think I need to. So let's just try this out. Oh, that is intense. That is so pretty, oh my gosh. So it's not as intense as I thought it was gonna be, but it's more intense than I was imagining it to be. And on the other eye, we're just gonna take it, we're gonna make it wet. So it is very much so more intense. This is it dry and this is it wet. And you can see this one's more like, you can get more of the pigment, like the orange came out. And this is just like a sheer kind of layer of metallic. And for my brow bone, I'm just gonna use this middle shade, the medium skin tone shade. Ooh. So this 10 out of 10. 10 out of freaking 10. Now get into these 3 lip shades. First we're going in with Nude Potion. It is a light pink nude and I'm really scared about this. I'm not going to use a lip liner, but I know this is going to be too light for me. I can already tell. Yep, it's too light for me, but it doesn't look bad. To me it looks bad, but this is like giving me concealer lips. My boss or someone is going to get this because no. But I do like this color, just not on me. You know? Not on me. No. Big no. I don't like this color and it's too pink for me. But I do like their formula. It's really good. So let's just try the other 2 shades, which I was really excited for. So let's just get right into those. We're gonna try Spell next. It is this coral neon with it has like a purplish duochrome sheen to it. Oh my gosh. I used to love, I remember I like loved coral and orange lipstick. I don't know what happened. This is so pretty. Like, it doesn't go with my eyes, of course, but I feel like I would like this if I had like my eyes completely done and like a bold, like just nothing on my lid and just a bold wing liner with some lashes and probably a different blush, to be honest. I like the color, I just don't know what look I would wear with it. Maybe it's just because I don't have my eyes done, I don't know, but I can find some way somehow to use this color, so it doesn't look bad. So maybe we can do something with it. And the last color I have, which is the one that I was most excited for because I don't have anything like this in my collection, is Coven. So this is Coven and it's a metallic chocolate brown. And I'm so excited for this if I can get it open. The applicator is just a regular doe foot applicator, if you're wondering. Oh, I love this one, like I can already tell. This is definitely one I like the most. And they smell like cake. I just want you to know that. I wish you could smell this. I really like this color. This is my favorite color out of the whole collection. I really like the highlighter and the highlighter and Coven. But if you are like paler than me, I feel like you can get away with all of these like easily. It makes a statement, but it can also be natural at the same time. And I really think she thought this out very, very well. And I think Ofra has very, very good quality makeup. And yeah, so if you want more videos like this one, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down at the button below. It takes 2 seconds and it's free. And I will see you in my next video.